Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to create essay using ChatGPT. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, there are long way and a short way to do this tutorial. Okay. So now let's proceed on the tutorial. First of all, you want to open your browser and search for chat.openai.com. So you can see that on my search bar. So now I'm just gonna first show you the short way. Okay. So just go ahead and type on the text box, for example, like create an essay about your topic. So let's just say climate change. So click on enter. So now as you can see, the AI is now starting to create your essay about climate change, right? So you can just go ahead and copy this and paste it on your assignment or school works. So let's just wait for it. And for example, you have a specific paragraph on your essay. So what you need to do is to just go ahead and type create an essay about climate change, right? Like create an essay. Sorry, let's say for paragraph essay about climate change. Oh, let me just change it to 3. So let's just see if the AI will just create 3 paragraph essay, okay? So let's just wait for it again. As you can see, this is the third paragraph, and the last one is the conclusion, right? So now let's just stop generating this and let's proceed on the long way to do an essay here on ChatGPT. So to do that, you just want to type, give me 3 points about climate change. So now the AI will give you 3 points about your topic. So let's just wait. So as you can see, these are the 3 points about climate change. So you can also expand this by saying expand point. Let's just say 1. As you can see, now the AI is expanding point number 1, right? So now I'm just going to stop generating this. And what you can also do is to just go ahead and say expand point 1 with heading. As you can see, the AI will give you a heading, right? So now just go ahead and choose the different ways to do your essay. So just go ahead and explore the AI. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.